Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I am going to show you this golden warm brown eye look using all drugstore makeup. So yeah, I'm only gonna use affordable products, which I cannot wait for you guys to see. So I'm gonna play with this palette from Revolution. I will make sure to put all the products in the description down below. And I'm gonna start with this light color, which is going to be my transition shade. So I am going to blend this from the inner corner to the outer corner to kind of warm up the crease area. Then now for the next shade, I'm going in with this color, which is slightly darker, and I'm gonna do the same thing as I did with the other color and blend this all over my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. Now next, going in with this kind of orangey color. Again, doing the same thing, blending this in the outer V area, and then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to blend it more into my crease area. Such a beautiful color, really nice warm undertone. Then now using my finger to apply this golden color, which is so freaking pretty. I absolutely love this shade. I think you guys would love it too. It's so shimmery and pretty. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to use this to create a simple line above the lash line. I actually love using a wing liner. Well, not using wing liner, but creating a wing liner. I really like it, but I know a lot of people don't like it, or they struggle with it, or they have hooded eyes, so maybe it's not really looking nice on your eyelids. So for those people, I wanted to keep it a bit more simple and create only a simple line above the lash line, so to kind of make this eye look hooded eye proof as well. So I'm gonna do actually a trick and smudging it out, which I love. I love smudged wing liner. I think it's so pretty. So I'm gonna use this color right here using a tiny brush and apply the shade right above where I just applied the jaw eyeliner. Just going back and forth with my brush, kind of smudging it out. It doesn't matter if it's not looking perfect, because the point is actually to make it look a little bit messy. This makes it so easy, because even if you applied the eyeliner and it wasn't looking perfect, it doesn't matter, because we're going on top of it with the eyeshadow, which is going to smudge it out. Now I went in with a little bit of that color to smudge it out even further, to make it look a bit more softer. And then this is how it's looking so far. It just leaves you with a really pretty smudged effect. Now going in with this color and apply this underneath the lower lash line using a Sigma Beauty flat definer brush. Actually love that shade. It kind of has a reddish undertone, super pretty. Then now I'm gonna blend it out using those two colors, kind of mixing them both on my brush and then smudging all the way underneath the lower lash line. I love a really blown out lower lash line. I'm not afraid to like apply a lot of eyeshadow. Of course you can skip this if you think it's too much, but I love when I go a little bit lower, if you know what I mean. I just love how it looks. It gives a really smoky, warm effect. I really like it. Then now for my waterline, I'm going to use the Infaillible pencil from L'Oreal. I will put the name in the description bar. It's actually a super pretty, sparkly copper shade, and it goes really well with the shades we use today. It also has that kind of warm undertone, which is so pretty, and it will make the eye color stand out more. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, which I always do before applying mascara. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, which used to be one of my favorites when I was younger. I remember asking for this mascara on Christmas, and I always used to be so happy, because when I was young, my parents didn't have like a lot of money, so I think we would get around €4 a week. So I could not buy a mascara, or I had to save my money and buy it like in a month, but I found it a waste of money. So on the holidays, I would ask for things like mascara or maybe a foundation from Maybelline, things like that. So every time I see this mascara, I'm like, I remember those days when I got these for the holidays, and it's just such a cute memory. But yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. I want to do a few more drugstore looks for you guys, so let me know if you will be interested. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. My username is Anouk. And yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!